The government is proposing an electronic waste disposal scheme that requires importers, distributors, and retailers to pay a fee for each item. It will range between $100 and $250 and could be added to the retail price. As Mona Lam reports, reaction from the electronics industry is mixed.
You may have to fork out more when you get that new TV or computer in future. The government today launched a public consultation on an electronic waste disposal scheme. The program will cover computers, refrigerators, television sets, washing machines, and air conditioners. One proposal is to add a $100 to $250 fee on each item to be collected from importers, distributors, and retailers. A label will then be put on the item. Retailers are required to take back the appliances for free in future and give them to designated recycling companies, which are subsidized by the government. As for existing appliances, consumers will have to submit them to designated recyclers at the end of their lifespan. The administration wants to ensure any electronic waste is being treated properly instead of being shipped to, for example, developing countries.
The consultation includes whether we should impose import-export control of such products so that we know how they are being disposed of. And also, well, in our proposal, we ask the public whether there is a need for any local treatment facilities.
Government figures show that 70,000 tons of electronic waste is being handled in Hong Kong every year. A TV set like this one contains heavy metals such as lead and mercury, and it becomes toxic waste when it's dumped in a landfill. Currently, a computer recycling scheme is already in place, paid for by the computer industry. This shopper says he will think twice about swapping to a new computer if he has to pay extra for recycling. Jackie Chang from the Chamber of Hong Kong Computer Industry said it costs about $60 to recycle a computer. He believes the fee should be split among manufacturers, distributors, and consumers. But a representative from the electronics industry is calling foul.
There's a lot of grey market parallel import across the border. If you only collect tax on law-abiding companies, it would be very unfair.
When it comes to discarded computers, the operator of this recycling plant said he usually only takes the plastic parts. Although the computer screen contains mercury, it's simply too expensive to filter out the metal in Hong Kong. He believes a government subsidy will provide a good incentive for local recyclers to properly treat electronic waste. Mona Lam, TVB News.